Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Compact and stylish. This space-saving small refrigerator, 17.5 inches by 18.5 inches by 19.7, stores food, soda, beer, and other beverages with minimal energy, 70 watts, and without taking up too much space. The sleek, modern design, available in black, stainless steel, and white, is perfect for college dorm rooms, offices, garages, home bars, small apartments, and RV campers. Large capacity. The removable glass shelf expands the storage space and makes the fridge easy to clean. Additional door storage fits 2 cans, like soda and beer, or small containers on the top shelf, and liter or taller bottles and containers, like water, wine and milk, on the bottom shelf. Convenient features: a reversible door, leveling legs, and adjustable temperature control. 33.8 degrees Fahrenheit at the lowest setting. Make this mini fridge even more practical. The small freezer, 8 inches wide by 2 inches tall, fits ice packs, most frozen dinners, and the included ice tray. Ultra quiet. Low sound operation is perfect for places where you don't want a noisy appliance. Waiting rooms, TV and game rooms, and even baby rooms where you can store milk for easy feeding. 1-year warranty. 1-year warranty for parts and labor, and 2-year warranty for compressor part. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Vintage Coca-Cola style, featuring the iconic contoured glass bottle first introduced over 100 years ago. This vibrant red mini fridge is a keystone piece for Coke memorabilia fans and collectors. Compact size with 4L capacity. Personal cooler with removable shelf and inset carry handle, holds 6 standard soft drink cans and fits easily on a desk or shelf. Dimensions: 7 in 17.7 centimeters by 10.0 in 25.4 centimeters by 10.0 in 25.4 centimeters. 110 volts AC and 12 volts DC capable. Compact portable mini fridge, runs on DC and AC power, and comes with both cords so you can use it at home or on the go. Ideal for home, dorm, office, truck, trailer or RV. Efficient iceless cooling. Advanced thermoelectric technology cools to 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius, below the surrounding temperature with no need for ice. Unique gift idea. Portable design. Eye-catching chrome accents and classic Coca-Cola graphics make this travel cooler an ideal fun and functional gift for dads, students, teens, and more. See more product details. The number 2 on the list is. Many positives reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Mechanical temperature adjustment ranges from -2 feet to 2 feet Celsius, 32 feet to 35, 6 feet Fahrenheit. Large storage areas excellent at chilling beverages and healthy snacks, produce. However, cannot be used for storing frozen foods or making ice cubes. Features adjustable legs and a reversible door that can open from left or right. Full 1 year. External product dimensions: 17.7 by 18, 6 by 19, 4 inches. Note: the internal walls of the main compartment are slightly tapered toward the back. See more product details. The number 1 on the list is. This product comes with premium quality and affordable price. The most convenient micro fridge. This compact fridge is perfect for everyday use. You can use it to store your lunch, drinks and baby bottles. Fresh food capacity: 4 liters. Portable mini fridges: 3 pounds. Perfect for on the go. You can place this fridge in your office or dorm. Plug into either your home outlet. Multiple chargers are included in the box. Great for small spaces. This mini fridge is 10 by 7 by 10 inches. Has a flush back design that allows for multiple placement options in any room. Compact. 4-liter capacity. Chills 6 12 ounces. Soda cans. Interior is 5 by 5 by 7. 5 and includes a removable shelf that offers a variety of storage options so you can store small items such as yogurt, fruit, milk, bottles, etc. Go green. This product was engineered with thermoelectric technology. It uses advanced semiconductors that are free of CFCs and refrigerants, making it better for the environment. See more product details.